guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nalini. I'm a child psychology educator and early childhood educator. Today I am here with an amazing book review. So this is not a normal book, but it is called as intelligent ebook because it is actually creating own sounds and it can read when you touch it. So I am going to show. So this book is for an intellectual learning. The recommended age group is 3+ years, but with parental support, I think it is ideal for even 1+ years. So this is a book where this is a battery operated book. This has 3 batteries which needs to be installed for this book to work, and this book have a lot of interactive contents in it. So I'll just quickly open it and show you what are all the contents in the page. Come, let's get started. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I am sure you're missing out so much, so go and subscribe to it. So this has a really nice case where you can just hold it. It is very lightweight, for it easier for the child to handle also, and they have mentioned like parent-child interaction, phonetic learning, hands-on ability, observation ability, thinking ability, and all that. Let's see how it is inside. So each page has a power on button. So once you install the batteries from here, you have a power on button. So when you power it on, sound will come. And for each page, to start each page, there is a mark that is given here. So you have to just click on this to get started with that particular page. So wherever you click, it will read it for you. So when you click on the read button, it automatically reads the content of the page. But if you don't click on the read button and when just clicked on here, you can touch and it will read for you. So this is a very nice interactive book, and ever since we received this book, my child who is 20 months old is quite engaged with this book and she really likes this book. She didn't let me to keep it away even for a minute. She was too much involved, especially with so there is also a marker which is given for tracing activities and all that. For example, here you have to just trace it out. You can see that she has been drawing it and I've erased it. So it's reusable. So these kind of activities are given in this page. So you can see that she has scribbled so much here. So this is kind of a worksheets activities for the child. For 20-month-old, I don't expect my child to actually match each things, but definitely she likes to color, paint a lot at this particular age, and she actually is more involved in scribbling all through the pages. And the good thing is it is reusable, so you can easily erase it. And it's all done for the complete again to start again. So this is quite a very nice book. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. So if you are looking to buy this book, you can buy this book from Rio Kids Shopee. We have got this book from the Instagram page Rio Kids Shopee. Their delivery service is all very good. They have a wide range of toys. They have a wide range of interactive educational materials and educational toys for your child. Go check out their page. And also for this particular ebook, if you use the code Shradhu ebook, you get flat 50% off, and also they are kind enough to give free shipping to all of you guys. So please don't miss the offer. The offer ends on this Friday, so don't miss it. So this is how the intelligence book actually looks like. You have to install the batteries here, and there is a lot of games also included here. So this is a speaker. I'll just open and show you each of the page. So this is a graffiti board, and here you have the alphabet. So once you click on to activate this particular page, you have to click on this, and then wherever you click, it will read out to you. So when you click on volume plus, volume minus, you can adjust the volumes, and if you click on read,
A, B, C, D, A, B.
So once you click on read, it automatically starts reading the content, And then here on the left side of the pages you have the interactive activity sheets where you can use the marker to do this. So this is ideal for 3+ age for sure, the activities mentioned here. But for these kind of the audio book, it is apt for even 1+ years. So they have covered numbers, alphabets, fruits, and the associated activity, and then they have the occupations, animals, and then this is a beautiful activity which Radhu was very much like this. She really liked this from yesterday. And here is the transport, and here visual discrimination, and then relatives. Here they have the visual discrimination again, matching, and then logical thinking, music page, measurements, and so let me check. Once you power on, to activate this particular page you have to click here.
Sick Day by Diana Kaleo. My head is hot. My
So this is stories. These are stories, and here is another favorite for all the children. There are a lot of nursery rhymes in this. So this is how the book looks like. It is quite engaging, and I wouldn't say this will replace the parents, but it is a parent-child interaction book, so you can give it a twist for your everyday reading. So if you are a parent who just started books, and if you feel that your toddler is not much interested for any book, and if they are keep running, I think this would gain a very good interest to get started with books. This is a very nice investment. So they have a quite a good the pages are also very sturdy. I mean, it is not tearable. They are non-tearable laminated pages, so no need to worry about mishandling. So yeah, here here. இதுல yellow. Okay, correct. அது grandmother da, பாட்டி. சொல்லுங்க. வேற என்ன சொன்னாங்க? உங்க நோ தான் சொன்னாரு டாக்டர். பூவா. வேற? Carrots. Beans. Doctor. Give us a doctor. Doctor. Doctor.
sister.
You have to first click here.
Nurse.
Click here. Now you can click.
Banjo.
You click here now.
Symphony.
அதுல வருமா? இது கேளு, வேற ஏதாவது கேளு. ஃப்ளூட் எங்க பாரு. ஃப்ளூட். This is flute. ஃப்ளூட் யார் வச்சிருப்பாங்க ஸ்ரது? எப்படி வச்சிருப்பாங்க? Dot stickers. Round the wheel. Off means you have to click here. அவ்வளோதான் ஆஃப் ஆயிடுச்சா திருப்பி ஆன் பண்ணணும்னா யூ ஹேவ் டு கிளிக் ஹியர் இட் வாண்ட் ஒர்க் ஓ இட் ஒர்க்கிங் We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Often you have to click here. Okay. Here. So if you're looking for buying this book, I would recommend Rio Kids Shopee, and don't forget to use the code Shradhu ebook to get your discount code on. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys later with another amazing video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.